Hi, I'm Migs, and welcome to Pharma Wow. In this video, we're going to talk about what are adrenoceptors. These are transmembrane receptors that mediate the central and peripheral actions of norepinephrine and epinephrine. These transmitters play important roles such as in the control of blood pressure, myocardial contractile rate, and a variety of metabolic and central nervous system functions. There are 5 subtypes. Alpha-1's effects are constriction and contraction, relaxation, glycogenolysis in the liver, and potassium ion release on salivary glands. Alpha-2's effects are constriction, dilation, relaxation, decrease in insulin secretion of the pancreas, aggregation of the platelets, and decrease in pathetic outflow in the brainstem. Beta-1's effects are increase in rate and contraction of the heart, amylase secretion in the salivary glands. Beta-2's effects are dilation, relaxation, glycogenolysis in the liver, and inhibition of histamine release in mast cells, while beta-3's effects are thermogenesis and lipolysis. And that's all. Thank you for listening.